my name is Amania, known as Amania Shawn. I'm with Salon Republic, Woodland Hills. So what we're going to be doing today is taking her to a dusty lavender, and in order to achieve that, as you can see, she's probably a level 4, 5, 6 up on top, and then she's got a lot of gold. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a tease technique and maybe some baby lights, and try to create as much lightness as we can, and then go ahead and formulate on top of that. So I'm going to show you guys how to do a placement with minimal effort but maximum exposure. See, I've taken a V parting, slight V parting in the back, and what we're going to do is we're going to start off with our first placement. So we're going to do our first tease technique covering this angle and covering this angle. So I want to go ahead and show you guys my first section's done. So that's kind of how the placement is. I'm going to take another section right above it. So we're going to do 2 foils back to back. So now that we're on the top of the head, you can see that I'm still at a slight angle. So what I'm going to do for my next section, instead of taking 2 sections and going at a V, we're going to take a straight section and start highlighting that piece. All right, you guys, so we're all done with just the back part of the head. So you can kind of see how I have the placement. I went ahead and did 3 foils back to back for the top piece. And then what you do is you do some side paneling. And then underneath, we're actually going to keep all this color underneath, and I'm actually going to do another color in there. So you'll see, all done. The placement in the back, placement in the sides, and we decided, you know what, why not pop a little one in the front? Why not? So she's got a little baby light going in the front of her bangs. And this is it, you guys. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys where I'm going to low light her as well. Everything that's kind of left in between, what I'm going to do is, because it's kind of this, you know, orangey, goldish color, I'm going to go ahead and low light this. So because I did such neat sections, it's so easy for me to find my low lights. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my low lights in a foil. So I'm going to go ahead. This is pretty much all the light pieces that are kind of left out. I'm grabbing all of those, and I'm just going to put them in a low light. So this is after we pre-toned it. She's lifted to a beautiful kind of 9-10. We've pre-toned her with titanium. Titanium has a lot of violet tones, so we've kind of eliminated as much yellow as we can. Now we're going to go ahead with our shadow root. We're going to shadow root her, and after we do the shadow root, we're going to pull through our gloss. For the shadow root, what I'm using is Guy Tang Mydentity 6DL with a little bit of ultraviolet for her shadow root. So what I'm doing right now is I'm actually going from midshaft, not really pulling it through all the way to the ends. So I'm mixing 8DL and I'm dragging it down, but I'm leaving the ends out because what I want to do is add a little bit of clear to my formulation before I saturate it all through the ends, because I want it to be from dark to transition into light. So you can see the different tonalities of lavender pick up in there. This is the final look. Using all Guy Tang Mydentity colors. What we did on the roots is 6DL as a shadow root, 8DL from kind of mids to closer to mid ends, and then we did 10DL on the ends. Go ahead and follow me at Amania Shawn and DM me if you have any questions about the look that we created today. And thank you for watching.